today we had a dissemination workshop on the LANDSURF project. So the LANDSURF project is actually a project that is done by the German partners in some West African countries, and Ghana is one of it. So INRA represents Ghana's contribution to the LANDSURF project. Currently, we have a workshop ongoing, and it is to disseminate the findings that we have had and to let people know about how important the data we have gathered is to them and how they can have access to the data that has been gathered. So today we are training people or our stakeholders on how the decision support system can be used. So the decision support system is actually a climate indicator-based portal which is going to be accessible to both stakeholders, students, and everybody who finds it important to use. The partners on this project are JERIX, who are our German partners. We have WASCAL also, and in Ghana, of course, I'm supported by INRA. This program is one program that is going to make data accessible to students, to stakeholders, to agricultural practitioners. Most of the times, after research is conducted, the result is held by whichever institute did it, and it's not made accessible or readily accessible to people. But this one is different in the sense that it has opened up to stakeholders, it has opened up to students, it has opened up to anybody who is interested in using this portal. The decision support system opens up to everybody who is interested in climate science by providing climate parameters, by providing the record of agricultural products on the web-based portal. And the interesting part is that you can manipulate this portal to help you to take decisions in the future, in the sense of what the climate will be like in the next few years or in the coming years.